Well, it's really fun to watch that. When you see that on paper, everyone knows that John's the clear favorite, and then someone else takes complete control of all the momentum and probably has a couple of the best waves back-to-back at Pipe in any heat.
This is the Volcom Pipe Pro. The beach here at Pipeline is going nuts right now out in the water. John Florence, Parker Coffin, Michael February, and Evan Geiselman. Wow, so Evan Geiselman starts off. Look at this wave. That is one of the better waves we've seen all morning. Foam ball ride and all. The kid is psyched.
That was crazy. That was my first heat at Pipe, so that was, yeah, I can't believe how that just worked out. Unbelievable. I don't really get too many good waves out there, but that's why we do this contest. It's just amazing to have 4 guys out there. And then when I saw I had John and Parker, it was a really fun heat. Parker and I, 9 times out of 10, that would never happen like that. So it happened just now, so it was good.
Events here at the Volcom Pipe Pro. Everyone considered John Florence the favorite to win this whole contest, but it was not his day.
Evan Geiselman absolutely on fire, extinguishing John's flame.